Today, there are fewer and fewer innovations that are being introduced at technology fairs for the first time. Manufacturers tend to separate events to launch their new devices. The exception to this at IFA Berlin 2019 was Sony with its new Xperia 5 model. Xperia 5 doesn't seem large and bulky, although it has a 6.1-inch display featuring 450 pixels per inch. And yes, finally the screen goes right up to the edge without the bezels. It's slightly thicker on the bottom and on the top, but we don't mind that. What I really like is the return of the beautiful Sony design that I last saw on Xperia Z3 and Z3 Compact. This is especially evident on the sides that are thin enough, yet the device is comfortable to hold it in your hand. And there is nothing missing on the Xperia 5, as Sony has installed 3 cameras on the back with 12 megapixels. One is a wide angle, other is standard, and the third is portrait or zoom camera. The Xperia 5 looks compact and beautiful. It's offered in a multitude of colors. The design is what it sets apart from a bunch of similar models from Samsung, Huawei and others. I hope to see it in stores soon, and knowing Sony, the price should be affordable.